I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video, we're unboxing the journaling kit, the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and the Stationery Kit from the February 2026 Inklings Collection. Okay, let's take a look at the journaling kit. There are so many fun ways to use this kit. I'm sure if you are familiar with it, you would agree. There are 2 sheets of rub-on transfers. So this is the first one, and you can see there are lots of decorative elements, and then also we have the days of the week, and then weekend, goals, and trackers. And the second sheet of rub-on transfers is similar, but you can see lots of different designs, lots of cute little decorative elements, including like a little mason jar with pens, some rolls of washi tape, etc. And then over here we have the text, which is appointments, important, self-care, to-do list, don't forget. And then also the month, which is February. And we have our stickers as well from this kit. And first, I'm going to show you the 2 full sticker sheets. So there is this one, and then also this one. And so these are just one large sticker. You can cut them apart. You can use them as is. I've seen people use these on like the monthly divider and just use the whole sheet and then maybe layer some things on top of it if they feel like it. But they're really, really great for using in a multitude of ways and creating stickers that are exactly the size that you want them to be. And then we have some individual sticker sheets. So there is this one right here, which has not only some labels at the bottom, but we also have the numbers like for the dates, and then all of these different days of the weeks. So you have like the watercolor swatches, and then this more sort of traditional label, the half circles, and then these sort of circles, and then just this lovely freehand cursive, and a sheet of so many delightful, beautiful decorative stickers, and then also these washi type strips. So obviously they aren't washi, they're on our nice vellum sticker paper, but they sort of mimic washi tape. And then there is also a sheet of alphabet stickers, which are super versatile, and you have uppercase and lowercase. And then down at the bottom of the last sheet, we have more of our washi type strips and then some decorative stickers as well. But that is not all that is included in this kit. We also have a roll of washi tape, and the washi that is included is sort of this blue-green background with the blue vines or leaves and stems, and then little white flowers on there. And then also there is a card with 10 journaling prompts for the month. So obviously this is a great place to start if you're not sure where you know, like what to journal about, or if you just want to use it to supplement how you are journaling throughout the month. So that is a great look at the journaling kit, and if you want to see any additional photos or digital renderings, you should absolutely take a look on the website. It is time to take a look at the Deluxe Journaling Kit. The Deluxe Journaling Kit comes in our heavy-duty plastic folder that also has a Velcro closure. And the envelope or the folder is also wonderful for taking the kits on the go, for storing them, or for storing other items as well. So now we have a lot to take a look at. So many wonderful pieces. Let's start with the patterned papers. These are 13 by 8.5 inches, and they are also included in our planner kit. Let me show you each one. So there is this beautiful rainbow stripe, and on the back side there is the green background with the navy stems and the white flowers. Kit is so full. I can't wait to show you all the fun details. This one has the splatters in the corners, and then also has the writing implements down at the bottom. And then this sort of fun monochromatic look at all of the different tools that someone might use for creating. And we also have this very fun sort of blush and peachish color, watercolory background, and then the vintage text in the corners. And then all of the color swatches all over this side of the page. So just a really, really fun sheet of paper. Actually, all of them are really beautiful. Now we also have 2 sheets of patterned paper that are exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. You won't find them in another kit. This is the first one. It has this grid, and then as you can see, the splashes and the text. And then the back side is a peachy, blushish grid, or ledger. I'm sorry, I couldn't think of the word. And then we also have this aqua, I'm gonna go with aqua, ledger, and the back side is the tone on tone sort of geometric print. Now we also have 2 more that are exclusive to this kit. The first is this sheet of vellum, and it also has the gold foil on some of the little bits. It's so pretty. And we also have this specialty paper. It's really fun. It's got this awesome texture and then these large dots. Look how cool that looks over that. I love it. It's going to be really fun to like sort of tuck and layer and all of those things. Now we also have 2 packages of roll-on transfers. These are also included in our journaling kit. And our roll-on transfers also come with a little popsicle stick, making it so easy to use them. And we also have a sheet of PET stickers. If you have not used them, they are wonderful because they are so thin and they are also kiss cut. So all you have to do is, I do this every single time I pick the wrong side, all you have to do is pop them right off. A lot of PET stickers are not like that. So this is a wonderful little addition. We have our Vellum sticker set, and these are also included in our journaling kit. The Vellum sticker paper is a little bit thinner, so they won't add bulk to your pages. You can see that there is both some decorative stickers and then also some washi type stickers down at the bottom, and the same for that page. There is a sheet of alphabet stickers. And then there are 2 sheets of full label stickers. So these are, as the name would suggest, just 1 large sticker. And you can peel them off, put them on as they are, or you can cut them or die cut them or anything like that. And then we also have the sheet that has the days of the week. It has the numbers and then a handful of little layers at the bottom. We also have this card that is beautiful, but on the back has 10 journaling prompts as well. And a little sticky notepad. This is also included in our planner kit. Also, the journaling prompts are also in our journaling kit. And then we also have a package of our die cut stickers, and these are also found in our planner kit. All you have to do is peel the back off and then they will stick to your project. They have great adhesive. So let's take a look. We have the little mason jar with the pens, a vintage camera, a watercolor palette, a clip, traveler's notebook, some paint. Then we have our tabs, which are all different colors. A traveler's notebook, a pouch, and then also some wooden stamps. And we also have the stamp set that is included. I received a sample, so I went ahead and I stamped them on a piece of paper so that you could see all of the little images. They're just so useful and fun to add to your different projects. I mean, arrows and circles and all those things, like, yeah, let's do it. Okay, and then last but not least, we have a roll of washi tape. It is just so sweet and definitely in line with the rest of the collection. And this roll is, I just tore this one too. It's not the tape, it's me, guys. I'm just not paying attention. I'm just pulling it and okay, here we go. So it is exclusive to this kit and it is a whole bunch of fun paint splatters, and you can see there's all the colors from the collection included here. So the Inklings Deluxe Journaling Kit, that is what we have just taken a look at right here, and you can see photos and projects and digital renderings of this kit and all of the rest of them on our website. Let's check out the Inklings Stationery Kit. Okay, so first we're going to take a look at the two specialty papers that are included. We have a acetate sheet. Look at that fun pattern. And I don't know, I just like the sound of it. Sorry, guys. All right, and then you also have this printed vellum. You can see that it has the watercolor splashes, and then it says messes can be beautiful down at the bottom. Both so lovely and such great additions to your projects. And then we also have a sheet of PET stickers, and Cocoa Daisies are wonderful because they are kiss cut. All you have to do is just peel them right off the backing. And if you have experience with PET stickers, you'll know that's not always the case. Sometimes they are not kiss cut, and so it can be a little bit more difficult. We have a textured little postcard. It's on like watercolor type paper. It's nice heavy weight, and as you can see, you can use it as a postcard, or you can keep it for yourself, and this decorative bit is just so pretty. Absolutely adding it to your projects would be really, really fun. Now there are also some sticker sheets included. So we have this one that has the pens and notebooks and all of that. And then we also have a similar idea of decorative stickers with pouches and traveler's notebooks. And then our days of the week stickers. So you see that you have various styles included and lots of color, just really, really a fun sticker sheet. Now this month we also have a vinyl die cut sticker, a little coffee mug, and it says sips before scripts. Super cute. And our sticky notepad this month. It's got along the edges some of those diagonal stripes, and then the sort of blush over there, and then just some lines for you to notate. And so a whole pad of those sticky notes. And a fun addition this month is a couple of really cute paper clips with little dangles. I'm going to put them closer to the camera so hopefully you can get a good look at them. They're so cute. The one is the color wheel and the other one is the little coffee cup, and just really a fun addition to your planner, your journal, you know, whatever notebook you're using. I mean, heck, use it as a bookmark even. It's so cute. So yeah, it's just got a little dangle, and you can put this at the bottom of the page and then it'll hang out the bottom, and it's really cute. All right, so we also have a package of die cut stickers. These are vellum, so they are not like our traditional cardstock. They are a lighter weight and a little ever bit so slightly translucent like washi tape is. There are so many cute designs. I can't wait to show them to you. All you have to do is peel the back off and they will stick to your project so easily. The adhesive is great on these. All right, so we have the little mason jar with the pens and stuff, a pencil, swatches in a notebook, a pen, a vintage camera, a planner or journal, another planner or journal, a stack of them, some rolls of washi, a vintage camera, then a little notebook with the pocket and then the notebook, the little pouch that has the traveler's notebook in it, a paintbrush, some paint swatches. So like at the top, there's like looks like a little strip of washi tape, a notebook with some colors, watercolors, a coffee cup, an ink bottle, ink, stapler, a couple of little swatches of colors with their names at the bottom, an ink bottle, a stack of notebooks, and then watercolors and brushes. And then we also have what looks like a kind of a dip fountain pen, and another little swatch and a clip. So you can see so many incredible little die cuts included. Now we also have our little pin. This month it says Color Your World. As you can see, it's got the traditional pin backing. However, in the shop, we also sell a giant paper clip. You can see this here, like how big this is. So here's our sticker sheets. And you can simply remove the little pin backing and then stick this to the magnet, and then you have a giant decorative paper clip that you can switch out with any of these little pins that we include in the stationery kit. So very cute. These are for sale in the stationery shop of our website. All right, then we also have a really fun vegan leather patch that is adhesive, has adhesive on the back. So you can stick it to anything. Look how cute this is. So it says Cocoa Daisy Stationery Co., 2010 to 2025, Hudsonville, Michigan. And it has the little, you can just peel the back off and stick it right to your project. Super cute, right? That little vegan leather patch. All right, and then last but not least, we have a roll of the thinner washi tape that has a whole lot of different writing implements. So we've got fountain pens and watercolor brush pens and mechanical pencils and all those great pens. So fun, so colorful, and just a really great use for our notebooks and planners and journals and all the projects, right? All right, so this is the Inklings Stationery Kit, and you can see photos and projects and digital renderings of this kit and all of the rest of them on our website.